In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can track using CapCut. So I have two clips on the timeline, and with them, I want to show you guys how to use the tracking feature on CapCut. So for the first one, if I give it a play, you're going to notice that this woman is just waving and she's making the heart symbol. So I want to track her hand as she does all of these things. And then the next one, she's also waving to the computer screen, but she doesn't make any kind of heart symbol. So this is going to be easy. So let's start with this one. So around here is where she starts waving her hand. So I'm going to make a cut by selecting and tapping on split. And then this is where she stops waving. So I'm going to make another cut here. And this is the part of the video clip you want to track. So for this, I'll be creating a text file and I'll just call it hi. I'll tap on this to confirm, and then I'll move the text away from her hand because that's what we want to track, but you can put the text anywhere you want. Next, I'll expand the text to cover the whole clip. Okay, so if I give it a play, you'll see that the text is just stable, it's just stagnant, it's not moving. Now I'm just going to look for where her hand is a bit visible. Then I'll select the text and then I'll tap tracking. So this is what we're going to use to do the tracking. So we're going to select her palm, and I'm going to expand this a bit because her hand moves all over the place. So we want to keep the hand inside this cycle. So after expanding the cycle, then I'll tap start tracking. So the tracking is done, and now if I give it a play, you'll see that the text tries to follow her movement. And if you want to make any adjustments, you can tap on the text and maybe bring it down a bit, and you're going to have to do the tracking over again. But yeah, you just tap on tracking and you specify what you want to track and you tap start tracking. And now I'm going to give it a play again, and yeah, so that's how you track with CapCut. So on the first clip, she doesn't wave for long and then she starts to make the heart symbol. So I'm going to create two types of files to track. So first we're going to specify where the waving starts and where it stops. So around here is where it starts, so I'm going to split, and this is where it stops, so I'll split again. And this is where the heart symbol starts, so I'll split. And this is where it stops, so I'll split again. So we have different clips to work with here. So for the first one, I'm going to be using a sticker. So I'll create a new sticker now by tapping on this, and I'll look for something that looks happy. Okay, let me try this one. So it has been created, so I'm going to adjust it to match the clip, and then I'm going to resize it. Then I'm going to tap tracking and we'll track her palm. I'll expand it a bit, and then I'll tap start tracking. Well, the clip is short, but you guys see how it works. So this is where the good tracking should begin. So I'm going to create another sticker. I think I'll choose this one. This one is a bit too much for me. Alright, so next I'm going to tap tracking, and now I just need to adjust to select her hand and then expand this one as well. You can also make the cycle wider. And now I'm going to tap start tracking. So it's done tracking, and let's give it a play. So you can see the heart is following the movement of the hand. So that's basically how you do tracking with the CapCut app. And if you guys want more examples, just let me know in the comments and I'll try to create more. But for now, I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you did, give me a like. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.